listen last week? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Okay, good. So today we're gonna move on to our new topic. So before we start, this is our topic for today, objective for today, which is student will be able to strengthen their writing skill by using thinking words. And the second is student will be able to connect sentences into two coherent paragraphs. So I have a short video for class for today. Then I have some question for you all. So please pay attention, okay? This first, and then we have a soft model. So we can see this right here. Okay, so based on the video, are you guys understand the video?
Yes.
Okay, good. So my question is, what is the topic of the video to try to convey? You want to try to answer?
We should recycle it on these problems.
Yeah, good try, but it's okay. You almost have the right answer. Anyone else? Me? Anna? And yes, good job. Please give a applause to our student. Guys, so much. Okay, so our topic today is about environment. So what is an environment? So environment can be defined as a sum total of the living and non-living elements and their effects that influence human life. So can you student give me an example about environment? If there's any example.
Nature.
Okay, good. Anyone else? Anyone?
Beach.
Yes, good, good. Okay. So the example you have is example for environment. So today, from here, you all understood what environment. So we will go to writing skill, which is about coherent. So what is coherent? Coherent means that ideas or sentences are connected in a way that makes sense and is easy to understand. When something is coherent, all the parts work together smoothly, like pieces of puzzle fitting perfectly. Understand? What's the coherent? Yes. Okay, good. So, students, we will carry our lesson on the next slide. So, today our topic will be how to connect sentences into two coherent paragraphs. Before I start to teach you guys how to connect those sentences, teacher will explain what is coherent paragraph. So, a coherent paragraph is a group of sentences that work together to explain one main idea clearly and logically. The sentences are connected, flow smoothly, and make sense as a whole paragraph. Back to our lesson, how to connect sentences into paragraph is, for the first paragraph, the first sentences should tell your reader what the paragraph is about, which are your main idea of your main topic. For example, playing outside is good for kids, which is the main idea is playing outside. For the second sentences, should give details or reason that support your main idea. For example, playing outside is good for kids. It helps them to stay healthy and strong. Running and jumping make their bodies active. For the second paragraph is, for the first sentences, you can introduce a related idea or explain something further about your main idea at the paragraph 1. For example, playing outside is also good for kids' social skills. Same as before, the second sentences are should explain or give example related to the new idea. You guys may use these linking words while doing your essay. For example, like to add information, you can use words like and, also, in addition, moreover. To show cause and effect, you can use because, so, therefore, as a result. Last, to give example, you can use for example, for instance, such as, and like. So this is the result, the example that teacher used, which is playing outside is good for kids. It helps them to stay healthy and strong. Running and jumping make their body active. It's important for kids to spend time outside every day, which show you guys that this paragraph has its main topic, supporting sentences, and a good conclusion, which is flow smoothly and connected, which is the paragraph only focus on main idea and
Okay, student. Just now, all of you study about coherent paragraph, right?
Yes.
So I would like to test your knowledge about coherent paragraph. So I will give each of you one paper that have a question on it. Okay, student. Based on the exercise, first exercise. So the instruction is you need to rearrange the following sentences to form a coherent paragraph about the environment. So as you can see, the answer based on from number 1 until number 4, it is not organized well. So what you need to do is you need to make in only one paragraph, but do it in correct sentences. Do you understand?
Yes.
So I'll give you 5 minutes to do it, so you may start now. If you don't understand anything, you can ask teacher. you all done?
Yes.
How about here? Go on.
Done with.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. So, we will check the answer together. But before we check the answer together, I want you to exchange the paper with your friend. Okay, so let's check the answer together. Can any of you give me the first sentences for the first paragraph, in the paragraph? Let's see.
This paragraph is, the environment is important because it provides us with air, water, and food.
Good job. It is the correct answer. Just give an applause for it. Okay. So how about the second sentences? Maybe another person? Okay.
If we do not protect the environment, it will harm animals, plants, and even humans.
Marvelous. You're doing a great job. Okay, so for the third and fourth sentences, before we will check it together. I will not ask you anymore. So based on the third and fourth sentences, do you think it is a correct answer already, or we need to change the sentences? Correct? Or we need to exchange the sentences? We need to rearrange. Correct? Okay, so the answer is already correct. We doesn't need to rearrange that, the answer. Do you know why? Any of you? Okay, so if all of you see the last sentences, is it already using a linking words, which is the linking words is a conclusion. Am I right? Okay. So that is the correct answer for it. Okay, so we will move on to our second and our last exercise. Also, Sam, I will pass you a question, paper with a question on it. Okay. So, student, for exercise 2, can someone read for me the instruction? Just read the instruction.
Write through paragraph based on the following prompt.
So, student, what you need to do is, based on the prompts below, which is the first one is, why is the environment important? You need to make one paragraph for that, for why is the environment is important. For example, the environment is crucial because it provides resources necessary for life. For the second paragraph, how can we protect the environment? Maybe you can include recycling or plant trees. To make your paragraph smooth and logical, you can use linking words such as and, because, but, however. Do you understand? So I will give you 8 minutes to do it, so you may start now. Are you done?
Yes, teacher.
How about at the back? Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, student. Since all of you already done, so I'll collect the paper. Okay, so for exercise 2, teacher will check it first and we will discuss in our next class. Okay?
So what did the teacher signal in our class? You all have a lot improved in writing skill. So I think you don't have any problem about coherent. So we're gonna flashback about coherent, which is thinking word. So if you want, why this so important? Because it can connecting two sentences into a complete sentences. So if you want to make a complete sentence, you must have this. If you want to add information, you must have. And also in addition and moreover, we show cause and effect. You must put because, so therefore as a reason. And the last is if you want to give example, you can put for example, for instance, such as or like. Okay, so before teacher end this class, do you have any question?